Hello and greetings. Mohammed Suleiman Ahmadzai is here with a new session for you, dear friends. And one of the topics of our lesson today is the most important option we need to check before applying for monetization. Look, one of the most important options that you need to activate before applying for monetization, what is it? And if you don't do it, what problems might you run into? We want to show that to you today. So, when you are in your dashboard, at the same time, you will also receive a message in your channel. In the notifications section, it will say that you have not been recognized as eligible and your monetization has been rejected. And if we want to get more detailed information, we come to this section and click on the Earn tab. Here they provide us with detailed information. For example, this is the message, your channel isn't earning right now. So, when you get rejected, you will also receive a message like this. In this section, the reason given to you is violation of the YouTube monetization policies. So we have either mistakenly violated one of the monetization policies or perhaps we didn't check it properly. And that's exactly the option I'll show you. If we check that option, then we won't run into this problem from the start. Of course, even if we reach this point, there's no need to worry, because down here it tells you again to create an appeal video, make a request video, upload it again, and submit your appeal once more. Within 2 weeks, you will receive a response and hopefully your channel will be monetized. But if your recent appeal video is also rejected, you will be given another month. So what do you do on this specific date? The reapply button will be activated here. What do you do again? You apply again, and if God forbid that is also rejected, then after 3 months, you will be given another chance. So now every 3 months, you will be given time again. What should you do during these 3 months? You need to change something in your channel, make some modifications, and then finally apply again. All right, now let me show you that command so that you won't have to deal with this problem from the beginning. Try to pay attention when we get to the content section. I'll show you one of the videos so you can understand that command more clearly. Look, here I have, for example, a playlist, and inside this playlist I have 2 videos. In one of these videos, try to notice that when we go into the settings, as we scroll down here to the More section, we have something called Altered Content. In one of these videos, try to see that we have selected No. This is my own video. But in another video that I open here, it's exactly the same as the other video, which is also my own video, but in this one, we have selected Yes. Most friends who upload the video don't select Yes at all, they just choose No. This command becomes even more confusing because of that. We either have to select Yes or we have to select No. We shouldn't just leave it as it is. And the reason why, for example, when you apply, your channel doesn't get monetized and gets rejected is because of this command. And regarding the importance of this command, YouTube itself has uploaded a guide. I'll show you that guide on the screen, and I'll also put its link in the description for you. So if you want, you can check out that guide yourself in detail. It also explains the importance of this command for you, saying that you absolutely must choose either yes or no for this command. So who should select yes for this? And who should select no? Why did I choose yes in one video? And why did I choose no in another video? Look, if your videos are original, for example, if it's your own video, like in this video, from the thumbnail to the picture, to my voice, to the description, to the title, to the video itself, to the recording, everything is my own work and I haven't used anything from anyone else. In such videos, where the video is completely original and 100% your own, what should you select here? You should select no. But for which videos do you select yes? Here it says that if in your videos anything has been done with the help of artificial intelligence, if a person appears in your video, or a place appears in your video, or a voice appears in your video that is not your own, or if there is a person, a place, or a voice in that case, what should you do? You should select yes if artificial intelligence has been used. If it's your own voice, your own image, or the place you're showing is real, then you should select no. So for this video, I selected no for everything. But why did I select yes for another video then? Look, in this video, it's my own video. Here as well, the title is my own, I wrote the description myself, the video is mine, I edited it myself, everything is my own work. But the reason we selected yes is that, as we mentioned earlier, if any kind of assistance from AI has been used in the video for any reason, we have to select yes. Look, in my video, for example, no person appears, no location appears, but the voice does appear. So now, if we select yes for this, what happens to our video? Will it be demonetized or what will happen? Here, it is clearly stated for us that even if you select yes, your video is still eligible for monetization. But only at the bottom in the description section, something will appear here for us indicating that, for example, the sound or visuals were created with the help of artificial intelligence or AI, some elements that you created using AI. But in your actual video itself, meaning your video will be monetized, your video will generate income, there might not be any problem at all. It's just that viewers shouldn't be misled. When they watch a video, they need to understand whether it's an original video or, for example, a video that has been altered using artificial intelligence. But how are viewers supposed to know that? They figure it out from this. Try that if a viewer plays an original video, for example, when they come to in this section, try that for every video you play. When you go to the description section here, when you hover your mouse and click in the description section, try not to show any extra information about how this video was made. When you see such a video, it means it's an original video, and this is a video where no artificial intelligence has been used or assisted in any way. But if you play a video where, for example, yes has been selected, or you watch someone's video that has been created with the help of artificial intelligence and you want to get information about it, when you go to the More section, then a warning or information will appear for you. Here it is written, try how this content was made, and from this menu it says altered or synthetic content. Try, here it says, sounds or visuals were significantly edited or digitally generated. Well, in the end, for videos where, say, a person's image appears or a certain location is shown, or there's a voice that isn't your own, or, for example, you've used AI to summarize or translate, like in my videos, the voice is my own, well, at least in the English videos. But with the help of AI, for example, I've translated some words or certain things. Even so, if you upload such a video to YouTube, there's no problem as long as you've selected this option, because here, for example, we've maintained transparency. We haven't lied, for example, we haven't faked anything, we haven't manipulated anything in the work that we're doing. If we don't select this option, it would be as if we're, for example, faking things. Why does it do this? YouTube does not consider you eligible for monetization. Hope to see you in future sessions. Goodbye. And finally, dear friends, I kindly ask that if you found the videos helpful, please like the videos and subscribe to the channel to support us and help the channel grow. Hope to see you in future sessions. Goodbye.